Hello friends, you're on the CryptoPax channel and this is the latest Bitcoin review. Recently all market participants have been in a state of panic as they believe that Bitcoin has entered a full-fledged downward trend, but is this really the case and is there a reason to sell your crypto assets? Today I will try to answer this question from a technical analysis perspective and determine the potential levels that Bitcoin may reach in the near future. So, as you probably already know, against the backdrop of this deep correction, Bitcoin reached the $80,600 mark about 2 weeks ago. Today I would like to discuss why we have reached this mark and why, in my opinion, Bitcoin has already bottomed out and we can expect a very rapid upward reversal. The fact is that the price of Bitcoin has reached the lower limits of this global upward channel on the weekly time frame, and here you can clearly see this in the sharp reaction of the price exactly from the lower limits of this upward trend. Also, in addition, the price of Bitcoin rebounded exactly from the 2-year moving average on the chart. You can see it on the chart. This line is marked in green and is a very strong support on the weekly time frame. Last time, during the previous deep correction against the backdrop of Trump tariffs, here in March and April, Bitcoin rebounded exactly from the boundaries of the annual moving average line and rose by almost 70% at its peak. This moving average on global time frames actually mean much more to Bitcoin than you might think. Large whales in the market often use these indicators as their guide. In addition, if you know about price imbalances and fair value gaps in trading, you have probably noticed that the price of Bitcoin has reached the very zone that was not traded. In other words, Bitcoin has come to trade an empty zone or fill the market inefficiency, to use trading terminology. Also, it is very important to note the interesting fact that right now we are already at the upper limits of an important level of $93 for Bitcoin. And if it breaks through, Bitcoin has every chance of skyrocketing up to $120,000, since in essence all other levels above this level, also this level, and this level are already filled, or in other words, traded out. This means that there is no point in Bitcoin lingering in these zones, as they will carry too many extra passengers if trading in these zones for too long. So that is why I think that Bitcoin will soon experience tremendous and rapid growth that no one expects. If you want more detailed information about Bitcoin and altcoin trading, join my Telegram channel. The link to it will be in the description of this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.